youthful beauty who has bewitched many with her charm, mesmerized her fans at this buzzing Bollywood Hungama meet and greet. Let's hear from Neha about this unique experience.
I think the interaction was fantastic, just meeting everyone up close and personal and getting to hear what everyone had to say about me and their views just left me rather enlightened. From the smallest to the largest thing, people were talking about what they felt, and I think it's so open and out there. If I knew the experience would be so good, I would have come back sooner. There was one person today who was being very sweet and said that wanted to fit into my definition of being a perfect man, so that was quite interesting to see him. It's really great when a film does well, you know that, because you wake up on a Saturday and a Sunday and the entire weekend and your phone is full of messages that they enjoyed the film and they enjoyed your performance. There's no bigger success than the box office success, so I'm glad that Dey Dhanadhan did really well. I was sitting in the audience and I was laughing when there was a great performance by me. That's never happened to me. Like when I crack a joke on screen and I'm laughing in the audience, being amongst 27 or 28 characters and then being able to do a good job in it, I think all the credit goes to my director, Mr. Priyadarshan. I've worked with him in the past and I'm glad that I get to work with him again and again. I do have Raat Gayi Baat Gayi, and I have a film called Action Replay, and I also have Raftaar, and I have a comedy film called Pappu Khan Dansala, which is releasing. Raftaar is a thriller, but I enjoy doing comedies because they are entertaining and people love watching comedies, and that's why I do them. There's a buzz about Raat Gayi Baat Gayi. It is a comedy. It does talk about sex really openly, but there isn't any sex in the film. I've thoroughly enjoyed doing the film. It is something that I have never done before, a performance that I've carried out with so much ease, and I think it's because of one of my most favorite directors, Saurabh Shukla. We've already won an award in New York for the best screenplay, so that says a lot about the film. It's nice to be doing things that are different, and I've also associated myself with a charity, which is something that I'm extremely proud of. It's a charity that talks about a greener tomorrow and climate change. So it's not only just doing magazine covers that are something that interests me, but also doing things different, whether I'm working internationally or working with a charity I believe in and working on my film. So I try and keep myself busy with everything. I think Bollywood Hungama is a fantastic site. You never get bored of it. It uploads and all the material before it actually comes into print or electronic media can catch a glimpse of it. Wherever in the world I am, I can just log on to the site and get to know what's happening back home. Even if I'm sitting in my bedroom, I know what's happening in the event that I'm not probably attending, a film review that I need to really know about. Everything, it covers everything very vastly, and it's very, very entertaining, and at the same time, it's very informative. I love Bollywood Hungama.
Zohaib Jamadar, Bollywood Hungama News Network.